You don't have to write anything. You just see on the board. Everyone just see on the board and nothing you have to write. Do not write anything. See on board. Everyone. Look at the board. That's it. And what I'm teaching you, because I've seen in the previous period, I have given you revision to take your class. Come sit with me. She's crying. Who beta young? Akshada with you. Where is he? Where is Akshada? Wait. She wants my class to be taken. Where is Akshada gone? Akshada is not able to see her. I think she left the meeting. Akshada.
No, ma'am. I'm here only.
You are here only. Okay. Wait a minute. Your video is off, na? Acha, that's why you're saying you're okay. What happened, Akshada? What happened?
Ma'am, she also wants to attend your class with me.
Let her sit also. Let her also sit. Okay? Huh. Okay. What is her name?
Ma'am, Tanvi and Pari.
Okay. Chalo, they will also study today. Okay, everyone just look on the board. No need to do anything. Just sit straight. Like this. Everyone sit like this, straight. Everyone. Quickly. Like this. And see on board. Because I've seen in the previous class, most of you don't know how to do the multiplication. See, some rules of multiplication. First of all, I'm telling you some facts of multiplication. Before starting with the facts of multiplication, you know the sign of multiply. This is the sign of multiply. This is the sign of multiply. Okay? You don't have to write anything. This is the sign of multiply. Okay? When we multiply any two numbers, suppose we are multiplying 28 multiplied by 2 is equals to 56. Okay? So here 28 is multiplicand. 28 is multiplicand. What is 28? 28 is known as multiplicand. Multiplicand. And 2 is known as multiplier. 2 is known as multiplier. And the answer of multiplication. The answer of multiplication is known as what? This you can tell me. Answer of multiplication is known as product. Nobody will say product. Product. Answer of multiply is known as product. Answer of multiply. Excuse me. Yes, multiply, multiplicand, multiplier, and the answer is known as product. If the question is written, find the product. If anywhere the question is written, find the product of. Find the product of. If it is written, find the product of. That means what will you do? What will you do? If it is written, find the product of 2 and 3.
Multiplication.
If it is written, find the product of 2 and 3. If it is known product of 2 and 3, that means
Ma'am, we will multiply by 2.
Ma'am, we will do multiply by 2 and 3.
Yes, we will do the multiplication of 2 and 3 and answer will be, the product will be 6. This is known as product. This is known as the product of 2 and 3. This is known as the product of 2 and 3. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you some of the facts. Now I'm going to tell you some of the facts. Multiplication facts. That you all should remember. Multiplication facts. So first multiplication fact is, if you multiply any number If you are multiplying commutative property, it is known as, what is it? If you multiply 2 multiplied by 3, or you change its order, you multiply 3 by 2, answer will be same. Answer will be same. 2 threes are 6 and 3 twos is also 6. So answer is same in both the cases. You change the order. You change the order, answer will be same. क्या करते हैं? See here, look here everyone. See, now here 15 multiply by, let it be 5, plus 75. Okay, 15 5s are 75 is given. Now you have to calculate 5 multiplied by 15. Okay, 5 it comes at 15 place, 15 will come to 5 place. So 5 15s are, if you calculate it, it will be again 75. It will be again 75. Why? Because you're changing its order. So in the morning, I gave you one question, like you multiply 2 multiply by 9 multiply by 5. Okay. So you can multiply 2 and 9 first, then answer, see, you can multiply 2 nines are 18 multiply by 5. This 5 was left, 5 here. 18 5s are 90. Now, if you multiply 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 9, then 5 twos are 10 multiply by 9. And 10 multiply by 9 is 90. See, the case answer is same in both the cases. You can change the order when you are multiplying to any two numbers or three numbers or any of the numbers. Okay? Any doubt till here? An order change or the multiplier, multiplication, any doubt is there? If
No,
you
ma'am,
have,
no doubt.
you can say yes, ma'am. Don't say
No,
no,
ma'am.
Beta.
No, ma'am. No,
Beta,
ma'am, we have no doubt. No,
Yatharth,
ma'am, no doubt.
listen to me.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Listen to me. Nobody will say no doubt. Nobody will say, ma'am, no doubt. If you have, then only you will say yes, ma'am. Agrita, yes, what problem you have here, Agrita?
Ma'am, I don't understand this one.
This one?
Two
Okay, beta.
multiplied.
I'm explaining you again. Beta, order means, okay, what do you mean by order? See, I'm having these three books. I'm having these three books, like this, this, and this. Three books are I'm having. And we have to multiply these three numbers. Suppose these are three numbers. And you have to multiply these three numbers. So either you multiply these two first, these two first, and this one afterwards. Or you can do one thing, these two first you multiply and you can multiply by this third time. Okay, Agrita? Understood? Any number you can multiply first in any order. Whatever you are feeling like easy. Suppose 2 nines are 18 and 18 multiplied by 5 is 90. 2 multiplied by 5, or you can do one thing, 2 is here and 5 is here. You are feeling 2 and 5 is easy to multiply, so you will multiply 2 by 5 and then you will multiply by 9. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now,
Okay, ma'am.
another multiplication fact is, when you multiply any number by 1, when you multiply any number by 1, when you multiply any number by 1, you will get the same answer. Any number when you will multiply by 1, you will get the same answer. Okay? For example, if I say 6, 9, 8, 2 multiply by 1, no need to do the multiplication. No need to do the multiplication. Answer will be this only. When we multiply any number by 1, we get the same answer. We get the same answer. When we multiply any number by 1, we get the same answer. Understood? Shall I tell you the next one? Suppose, okay, one more thing. Suppose, now, if you have any number, suppose 1000, and you are multiplying it by any number, we don't know that number, and you are getting the same answer. And you are getting the same answer. What should come here?
One.
If it is same like this, then here it should be
One.
Very good. Very good. It should be 1. Okay. Now next question is, next number. Okay. If there is any number you are multiplying by 1 and you are getting 2, 5, 8, 1. So what should come here? What should come here?
2581.
2581. Exactly the same number because we are multiplying by 1.
2581.
Yes, 2581. Okay. Now, if you multiply any number by 0, if you multiply any number by 0, you will get a big 0.
0.
0, a big 0. अंडा सबको क्या बना देता है? अंडा बना देता है. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 0. Okay. 0 makes every number 0. 0 makes every number 0. Okay, any number multiplied by 0 will be 0. If I say 9599 multiplied by 0, what will be the answer? Are you going to multiply?
0.
Without thinking, you just write down 0. 0. Okay, now see if you have any number here, 6000. Multiply some number and you are getting 0. You are getting 0.
0.
What should be here?
0.
0.
Ma'am, 0.
Ma'am is not 0.
Ma'am, 0.
Ma'am
Ma'am, the answer will be 0.
The answer will be 0. Yes, ma'am is not 0. Yes, the answer will be 0. Yes, very good. Understood?
2 more. Yes,
Understood?
ma'am.
Okay, now let us start.
A plus.
Okay, now
Ma'am, I have a question in find the product.
find the product. Product means multiply. Abhi I told you. Product means multiply. Multiply means do multiply. Suppose find the product is given. Find the product of 359 and 69. How will you do it? 359 multiplied by 69. You have to do like this. Understood? Okay?
Yes,
Just wait a
ma'am.
minute. Let me plug in the charger.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Wait a minute, beta. Wait just a bit. Now next part. Okay, product means multiply. Okay, one more thing is left. In the morning I have given you. Okay, repeated addition is known as multiplication. Repeated addition, suppose 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5. We are adding 6 times 5. We are adding 6 times 5, and 6 times 5 is known as 6 multiplied by 5 is equals to 30. Beta, just wait a minute. I have to switch on my phone. I'll just coming on the phone. Just wait a second. It will, the battery is low.
Ma'am, when the class will get.
Just wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, we have to write below that or on over in 115 na.